want to proudly announce that I have officially partnered up with Shine Armor, man. Shine Armor is the #1 producer in car detailing products. They have products for the exterior of your car, such as soaps and ceramic sprays to make sure the outside of your car stay looking clean and fresh. And they also have products for the interior of your car, such as this all-purpose interior cleaner, man. We gonna be doing a review on this stuff today, and I'll be giving y'all my honest opinion. Make sure y'all have your interior spray, man, and you want 2 microfiber towels so I can walk y'all through how to use this spray and how to keep the inside of your car shining and smelling good, man. Come on, let's get into it. So with this product, man, the good part about it, you can use this in 4 easy steps, man. Make sure you have your 2 microfiber towels right here. What we gonna do, we gonna get them out the package. The first step, man, we gonna leave it folded. We gonna take this spray. Let me open it up some. We gonna take it and we gonna spray it directly onto our towel. Now keep in mind that this product works best on plastic, vinyl, and leather, man. We gonna take it and we gonna rub it directly on our surface. And as y'all can see, it's adding that shine. A great shine too, man. Hold on, let me spray a little bit more on my towel just to assure that I'm getting it all over. Make sure you spray it onto the towel first and you apply it to the surface. Rub it gently. Make sure it's getting in there real good. As y'all can see, man, that shine is really nice. I like it. Okay, so after you rub it in there, come behind it with your second microfiber towel to smooth it out. Leave this one folded. Come behind it, smooth it out. Make sure everything is the way it needs to be. And I can see a difference in my interior on my door already, man. And just in those few simple, easy steps, man, you can take your car interior from looking and smelling good to great. I rate this all-purpose interior cleaner, man, a 10. I can notice when I was using it, I can see the shine, I can smell the fresh scent, so I can guarantee you that you are gonna get the results that you are looking for from this product, man. And I can guarantee you that it can also restore your interior if need be.